Hello guys, it's family time. Now, AJ and Mama are swimming. We're having a good time.
No, she's just cleaning.
No, she's just having a clean. We're having a family bonding for the first time. This is the second day now when we swim.
Let's go.
Yesterday was AJ and his friends, but this time it's us. Just a family time.
Yesterday was kind of the Yesterday was kind of the day I was enrolled. That was
So
yesterday.
we just removed this cover here because this is like protection for these pulling leaves. At the same time, this is a solar heater for the water. So this time now, so we have to add little bit water, eh? Okay, you do on the diving board, anak. Okay, jump. So this is good for. Go. Jump now. Woo! This is really good. It's hanggang dibdib din eh. Sa adult. But for AJ, we decided not to fill it more because AJ might probably, at least that's his friend is a little bit shorter, so just to be in safe side, safe.
Mom,
Go.
Going.
So we don't want them to wear life jacket, so at least they can be able to swim without. Woo! Hindi naman malamig eh.
Yeah, and that side is not cold. That side is very cold.
So this is basically the how it goes here.
What's my tricks?
Oh! Kanina pa itong batang ito eh. You've been here for more than an hour, right?
No,
What?
more than 2 hours.
Holy. You don't feel cold? Ayan. This is AJ namin. Ito, kinukover ko na yan. Halfway lang tinanggal ko yung cover. Para ano, ang bigat
Papa,
eh.
come in.
Yeah, I'll be coming, but I just want to take a little bit video.
You cannot McDonald's. I eat for hours. Telling all the workers. I need get me.
Okay, can you go underwater, anak?
Ow.
Go. Go underwater. I'll show you. Oh. That's good. You want to learn swimming? I will enroll you to Mac Island with the instructor.
I already know how to swim.
Yeah, but I'll teach you after this video. Then I'll teach you how to do it properly. How to float. Ay, nakaka-float na rin siya. Hindi pa lang talaga ano. Pero the best thing is mostly ang mga Canadian dito na bata. They know how to swim because that's their normal stuff that they need to do for the kids.
Now I got someone.
Wow, you're enjoying with Mama, eh?
Yeah.
That's family
But
time.
Mama's not even doing anything. She's just cleaning.
Go. Okay, go to Mama's shoulder and jump.
No.
You want to do that?
I will break your shoulder.
No.
3, 2. I'm good.
After this one, then we'll play. You ride on my shoulder and jump. Can do that?
Like this? Cannonball or
Why don't you just do this way? Yeah. Oh, that's cannonball. No, just spread your hands.
belly flop?
And on the front
Oh
position.
no, I'm not
Do it.
doing belly flop again.
No, it's not flipping. Just like this, straight. Do it. Just spread your hands.
Okay, let me do it without the nose.
Okay. Go. Yeah. Super, so good, eh?
Mama,
Okay, after this one, I'll play the sounds. I cannot use my cell phone because where's Mama's phone? Nasaan yung phone mo?
Mama.
We need to play your sounds. I think AJ has got the phone.
Found.
I did not switch on the yung reverse.
Wow.
Kaya nilinis. Malinis naman ang loob eh.
Go, we're in.
Yung mga bata naglaro kagabi, kahapon. There were 5 of them. They enjoyed a lot yesterday after Canada Day. So you see, parang no swimming pool sa atin. Ayan, oh. See, look at it. It look like we are in the resorts because there's a gazebo in here.
3, 2, 1.
And there's like
Guess where I'm going?
hindi nakapag nakapag-cut ng grass. Ayan, dahil bulaklak na tumubo. See, we are in our small resort at the backyard. Kasi pag tinignan mo dito, para may kubo-kubo din siya eh. Oh. You're enjoying, eh? Every day I know you will be
I'm drowning.
No. You do? Oh, that's Oh, yan. Ayos na. Pwede na tayo magkaroon ng resort sa
Mama, let's play.
Hindi, ganito ang swimming pool sa bahay. Okay na sa ganito kalaki. Malaki na ito sa Pilipinas. Pwede na to.
It's okay, I can go underwater.
Claro, nag-enjoy talaga siya.
Don't run! Don't.
You want me to try the boat? The black one?
No!
Why?
Wow. It will get more dirty.
No, I'll clean it up.
No, kasi nga lulubog yun pag inano mo. Hindi naman yung ano. Ito naman eh.
Okay, we have a rubber boat in the garage.
Ay, hindi mo naman yun.
Okay, Kuya Joshua is here now. Oh. Dapat pala nakadamit. Mas maganda yata ang nakadamit para ano.
Na pang swimming ka, di ba?
Grabe, lamig pala.
Kaya nga, sabi ko na eh. Kunin ko yung. Hindi, tumubog ka.
Hot! Just go in fast.
Pag andito ka na, hindi na. Parang
Hindi. Tubog mo yung katawan mo. Hindi na.
nunguna rin ako eh. Pero nung ano na okay.
Galing kasi ako sa mainit eh.
Mas maganda nga yun, hindi marami. Ayan na, hindi na.
Nagbababad talaga sila sa ano.
Kunin ko pala yung ano ko para hindi ako ano.
Fight!
Itubog mo agad ng ano mo, ang yung ulo. Bigla, go.
Alam, pasukin sana ako.
Tornado!
Back na lang dapat ako. Hindi 31 na ako eh. Tapos sabi niya, magkukuhan pa daw. Sa Saturday, mag-8 na naman.
Kaya mo, basta. Sige, tupog mo pa.
What?
Ulo. Diretso mo na yung ulo para ano. Tingnan ko nga yung aking ano na yun. Panswimming ko.
Kuya Joshua!
What?
Let's play! No! Yes!
Okay, after this one, I'll get the cell phone and then I'll play the sounds. It's good to have a sounds. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.